Hi, I'm Andrew, Technical Advisory Service Manager at RAA. We're here today in the RAA workshop. Cleaning your car can raise all sorts of questions, from what products to use to which areas to keep clean and why. It's important you clean your car regularly and correctly for the ongoing health and safety of your vehicle. We're here to answer some frequently asked questions and a few more from the curious cleaners. Keeping the glass clean in your car is essential to making sure you have optimal visibility. A dirty windscreen or windows can be a hazard, especially if the sun's directly shining at you. To keep your windows clean, try regularly using a formulated automotive glass cleaning product and a clean microfiber cloth. This will ensure a streak-free finish. The glass will need cleaning on the inside as well as the outside. When you're cleaning your car, check your windscreen wipers too. Carefully lift each wiper and clean down with your cleaning cloth and solution. If they're cracked or split and can't be cleaned, it's time to replace them. Have your seatbelts become a little slow to retract? Remember that seatbelts get dirty, just like the rest of your car. Surface grime may build up on the belt and on the plastic guide that lets the belt retract into the mechanism. Clean the belt and plastic guide using an upholstery cleaner and brush like so. There's no need to take the mechanism apart at all to clean. As tempting as it might be to grab the kitchen sink detergent to wash your car, it isn't specifically formulated to clean automotive paint and finishes. It's important to use tailor-made automotive products when washing your car. You'll get a much better result and keep your paint job looking good long term. We'd recommend a car wash product from a specialist car retailer, diluted in a bucket of water as directed on the product and using a soft sponge or cloth. For a streak-free finish, it's best to wash your car in sections. Wash and rinse one section of your car, then follow up by drying with a good quality clean chamois. We suggest starting at the top with the roof and then bonnet, boot and sides. This avoids dirt and dust running down areas you've already cleaned. Don't wash your car on extreme temperature days. Try to wash in a shaded, cool area. We don't tend to look under the hood when we're cleaning our cars, but it's important to check this area from time to time to remove any loose debris like leaves caught inside. If left to build up, this can cause problems for your vehicle. We recommend removing this debris by hand. Don't use a high-pressure hose or anything similar to clean this area. High-pressure water can become trapped inside critical electrical connections and even cause damage to expensive engine computer systems. Water and electricity are never successful partners. If you have any questions about cleaning or maintaining your car or any other vehicle concerns, we're always here to help keep you moving.